Presido Buhari don't do one important talk with Council of States. Presido Buhari don't do one important meeting with former leaders of Nigeria. The meeting will happen for inside Aso Rock. Konsi Yakubu Gowon, Goodluck Jonathan, and Abdulsalami Abubakar attend the meeting physically, while Olusegun Obasanjo attend through internet because of the US. They can do 1 minute silence for head of interim government Shonikon when don't by. The council can chook mouth well for matter when concern security.
Where the situation is escalating is mentioned, where the situation is getting better was mentioned, and suggestion, like I've said, were proposed and solution discussed, and President promised to discuss this with the service chiefs on Tuesday, all the issues raised, so that adequate security arrangement will continue to flow.
The council can talk say even though the world face food scarcity, NAIJA gets bonge food and security done the better.
The governor of Borno really commended the president for the good work that security agencies are doing in the northeast, especially Borno. He said he can sleep now with all eyes closed. He see clearly an end to insurgency in the coming months.
Chairman of National Population Commission, Nasiru Isa Kwara, can talk say him and the people ready to organize census when free from Wayu, Wuru and Wahala.
We have been able to lay the solid foundation for the census. The pilot census we're hoping will be taken in June. And if we're able to achieve that, we're hoping that we should be able to conduct the full census after also the general elections in 2023. So we're hoping to give Nigeria a digital, accurate, and widely accessible census. The Council has noted, and we've been given the go-ahead to continue with our activities as we planned.
Minister of Justice Konchuk Mouth for matter when concerned presidential pardon.
Well, the first person in respect of which objection was raised was convicted and sentenced to 120 years imprisonment on grounds relating to stealing and conspiracy that runs into billions. And he served 5 months in prison. But then there was a recommendation to the effect that he has life-threatening ill health. But then an objection was raised at the council that it will send a very bad signal, taking into consideration the volume of money that was said to have been stolen and the conspiracy element of it.
Presido can give go-ahead for National Honors Award.
And it's a reflection of Nigerians who have made significant contributions to this country. Men and women of character, men and women of integrity, men and women who have excelled in their various fields of endeavor.
434 Nigerians and friends of Nigeria now them consider for this National Honors Award. Omo Alukia Jakaye, TMC TV News.